Hello, guys. Life is a constant flow, like a river that never ceases to move. Time once passed cannot be retrieved, so why waste it? Every minute that slips away is gone forever, never to return. Think of your words as seeds. They have the power to shape the world around you. Speak with intention, for each word carries weight. The opportunities we face are like the wind, fleeting and often unnoticed unless we're paying attention. Miss them, and they may never come back. And those who gossip behind your back, they reveal more about their own weaknesses than anything about you. People will always try to pull you down, but remember, their words are reflections of their own insecurities, not your truth. You have two lives, the one you are living now, and the second one begins when you realize just how precious your time is. It's easy to become consumed by others' struggles, thinking that by solving their problems, we'll find peace. But the truth is, you have enough to focus on in your own life. It's okay to help, but don't lose yourself in the process. Revenge may feel sweet, but it always leaves you with a bitterness that stains your soul. True power lies not in defeating others, but in mastering yourself. Life is a series of challenges, and we face them daily, but what really matters is how we rise from the hardships we face. If you spend your time worrying about what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow, you'll miss the only moment that truly matters, now. You cannot control the past, nor can you predict the future, but you can choose how you respond in the present. That's where your power lies. The world doesn't owe you anything, but it offers you everything if you're willing to see it. Every challenge, every setback is a lesson waiting to be learned. The greatest victories in life are those we win within ourselves. For when we master our mind, the world becomes ours. Let go of the idea that you need to compete with others. The only person you need to beat is the one you were yesterday. There's a saying that true peace comes not when you escape the storm, but when you learn to dance in the rain. This journey isn't about reaching a perfect destination. It's about learning, growing, and embracing the imperfections of life. The struggles you face, the pain you endure, they all shape you into someone stronger, someone wiser. The greatest triumph in life isn't about standing on top of the mountain, but about how gracefully you climb it. We often chase success, fame, and fortune, thinking that they will give us happiness. But the truth is, these things are temporary. Happiness is found within. It's in the small moments, the quiet reflections, the connections with others, the peace of mind when you accept yourself for who you are. Don't let the noise of the world drown out the voice within you that says you're enough. You are more than your past mistakes, more than your struggles, more than your achievements. The greatest journey you will ever take is the one that leads you to yourself. So, keep moving forward even when the road is uncertain. Trust in the process of life, for every step you take is a step closer to understanding your true self. The greatest treasure you will ever find is the peace that comes when you stop chasing, when you stop seeking approval, and when you simply start being. Life isn't about finding the right answers, it's about embracing the questions, the mysteries, and the growth that comes with them. Live fully, love deeply, and let go of the things that no longer serve you. The best is yet to come. If the like video and subscribe my channel.